we will discuss about the conventional and ratio method to solve the time and distance problems. Here is an example. The question says, moving at 6/7 of its usual speed, a train is 10 minutes late. Find its usual time to cover the journey. In method number 1, that is the conventional method, we'll solve it like this. S is the distance covered equals to V into T. V for velocity or speed, T for time, and S for the distance or displacement. Here for the first case, let the speed of the train was V and the usual time it takes is T. But in the second, the condition changes. Here its speed becomes 6/7 of V and time it takes 10 minutes late. That means it takes 10 minutes more. The time becomes T plus 10. So here the distance is same in the both cases. That is V1 T1 equals to V2 T2. For the first instance, the speed was V and the time was T. And for the next session, the speed becomes 6/7 into V and the time becomes T plus 10. Now if we solve this equation, the V will cancel out. It will give 70 equals to 60 plus 10, plus 60, or T equals to 60. This is the answer, and T equals to 60 minutes, taking the unit into minutes. And the method 2, that is the ratio method, it says the ratio of the velocity V for the first instance is V is to 6/7 into V, or 6:7. Now if the velocity is 6:7 ratio, the time taken will be in the ratio 6:7, just reverse. Why? Because V varies with time inversely. So the time ratio will be 6:7. That is, for this hour, say 6h, if it takes 6h, it will take 7h. So the difference between these two will be h, or 1 unit. Say 6:7, that is the difference is 1. For 1 unit it is late by 10 minutes. For 1 unit the difference is 10 minutes. So for 6 units the difference, the value will be 60, and for 7 units the value will be 70. So the original time taken was 60 minutes. The next question tells, a boy walking at a speed of 15 km per hour reaches school 20 minutes late. Next time he increases his speed by 5 km per hour. Still he is late by 5 minutes. Now there will be two conditions in these questions, and we need to find his original time to reach his school and distance between his school from house. Here, using the ratio method, we may say the ratio of the velocity for first instance is 15 km per hour, and the next instance he increases his speed by 5 km. That will give 20 km per hour, equals to 3:4. So the ratio of V is 3:4. That means the ratio of T will be 4:3, just inverse. So the difference of these two is 1 unit. For 1 unit, the difference of the time will be both are late. As because both are late, the difference will be granted here. So for 1 unit, the difference will be 20 minus 5. If it says 20 minutes late and 5 minutes early, then this would be added. But if both are late or both are early, then it will be the subtraction. So for 1 unit, the difference is 15 minutes. So in case of 4 units, the value becomes 60 units, 4 into 15, and for 3 units it becomes 45 minutes. But we need to find the original time. So in the first occasion it was 20 minutes late. That means the original time would have been 60 minus 20 equals to 40 minutes, because he was 20 minutes late. Or alternatively, taking the 45 minutes time, he was late by 5 minutes. So we'll subtract 5 from 45 and it will give the same answer in both the cases, 40 minutes. So answer of 1 is here. And the distance between his school and from the house, it will be calculated by, as we know, S equals to V into T. So the first instance it was 15 kilometer per hour. The unit is in kilometer per hour into T. The value of T is, we have got 60 minutes. So as it is in minutes, we need to convert it into hours. So we need to divide it by 60. Here it gives 15 kilometers. So this is the very easy way to solve this type of questions using the ratio method. Thank you.